Hi guys, how you doing, and welcome back to cookmas number 6. It's just me at the minute. Mum's actually gone on the school run with my sister, so yeah, it's just me. Gonna be showing you another quick easy recipe. It's like a last minute thing. It's a Christmas pud. It's Christmas pudding in a microwave, like a last minute thing. You forget, I don't know, you forget a Christmas dessert, and it's just something that you can do quick. So yeah, I've got all the ingredients, we'll run through it. I've got the tripod set up and we'll crack on. So I've got you guys at a different angle today, just on the little mini tripod, the big tripod but made smaller. So I'm going to mix it all up in this bowl first. You're going to want a dish that you can put in the microwave. I have one here. A dish that you can put in the microwave. So we have a bag of mixed dried fruit, which is 375 grams. We have 75 grams of breadcrumbs, they're homemade breadcrumbs. 2 tablespoons of treacle. 2 tablespoons of whiskey. You can use brandy if you want, but I've got whiskey. 2 teaspoons of ground mixed spice. Pardon me, I do apologise. Very burpy. And we have here is 175 grams of mincemeat. Mincemeat is just literally sultanas, raisins, mixed peel, and suet. Two seconds, just got to let the dog out. Go ahead, boy, go. Right, so for this recipe, what we're going to do is literally straight all into a bowl. Like so. Sorry, someone's trying to message me. Right, straight in there with a bowl. Try and break it all up, because sometimes it's a bit clumped together in them bags. Right, straight in with the breadcrumbs. Same, I always like to mix my ingredients up. Okay. Straight in there like that. Straight in with the mixed spice. Okay, I just like to make sure it's all evenly. You don't have to do this, you can't even see it, I do apologise. So what we've done is we put the bag of fruit in there, the breadcrumbs and the mixed spice, and we are just mixing it up. We're going to go in with the mincemeat. And straight in. Like so. Give that a mix. Like so. It's just the dog. I'm sorry about if you can hear the dog barking. He's been a real pain today. You also want to go to butter this and put a liner in there, just to protect it a little bit. I'm going to go straight in with the old whiskey. You can add more if it's not enough, honestly. It's Christmas. Who cares? This is what I mean, this will make quite a big pud, so you might get 2 out of this. Right, I know what we're going to do is, another thing, to get your treacle out of your thing, right, is just give the tap a little bit of oil, run your tap, and actually stops it sticking to everything. Look at that. Stops the treacle sticking to the same, just wet your finger, just wet your index finger, and literally just scrape off so easily. I'm just going to wash my hands now. I did see one of the comments last time, but I didn't bother commenting because I don't really listen to them. But I know someone said on the last video that we done a while ago, oh, you shouldn't lick your fingers, it's not professional. Most of this food actually stays here, and if we do give it out, then obviously I don't actually lick my fingers. But now this is where it becomes sticky, and on that subject while we get, I'm not doing it professionally. Now this is where it becomes sticky, and you may have to use your hands to combine it, because that happens. It goes everywhere, all on the floor. I have to be careful where I tread now. Oh Jesus, he ain't gonna help you, Simon, but need to try and mix it all in carefully. I hope you can see that, guys. Sorry about the angle. Like so, right. It's all combined together. Now, I'm just going to quickly wash my hands and wash up, and I'll be back. Right. So for the bit, now I've washed up, for the next bit, you're going to want an egg. Okay. 1 egg. You want 160 grams of sour raisin flour. Just give that a lovely mix in now. You also want a bit of butter in there as well. Remember, because you're making it like it's like basically like a cake. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my other hand with the butter dish. And scrape out some butter. 1 teaspoon. 2 teaspoons. 3 teaspoons. About 4 teaspoons. They're over 4 teaspoons really. So you've got your egg, your flour in there, about 4 teaspoons of butter. So it's roughly about 4 ounces of butter you'll want. Okay, and just bring it all together now. You can use a whisk to do this if you want. You know me, I'm the old-fashioned way. Get dirty. You can add some milk there as well. I've got just 4 cups of milk. Which will help bring it together. There you go. Look at that. Now that is ready to go into a lined tub. That's what a bowl, which I haven't done. Or you can put a bit of, you can line 4 like teacups, what you drink out of, for like tea or coffee. And yeah, so wash my hands. We're going to line that, and then we'll stick it in the microwave. There's my tea towel. What we're going to do is, you can butter yours if you want. You just get a little bit of butter on there, just to stop it moving around basically. Yeah. Like so, and then what we do is, again, I'll just wash my hands and again you just feel, I'll just use my hands rather than getting anything else. Think I'm actually going to eat this, no one else is actually going to eat this, by the way. I've just washed my hands. I'm actually going to save this for let it mature for the next couple of weeks for Christmas, and have this for Christmas. There is you can also I guess if you look, you can steam. I have done one where you can steam it for an hour to 2 hours. Sorry you cannot see that, I do apologise again. So what I've just done is taken it out of there, put it in here and flattened it down. Like so. My hands again. Cold water's going out there, so cold. Where's my tea towel? Right, and then what we're going to do is, some people do, some people don't, but just going to take one of these tape cases. Just saves chopping up parchment paper. What we're going to do is going to roughly chop out a circle. Roughly, we say. Roughly chop out a circle. It's not got to be fancy. Right, and stick that straight on top. Don't want it to burn. And that's going to go in the microwave for about 8 to 12 minutes on the highest heat. So yeah, I'm going to stick that straight in the microwave. And while we do that, I'm going to tidy and we will be back. Alright, hi guys, how you doing? So here it is. It was in the oven, in the microwave, sorry, for 11 minutes. There you go, it's piping hot. It's all cooked. I'm not going to eat it and taste it on the video because I'm going to let it mature and actually save it for Christmas. So I'm going to let that cool down. But there you go, that's what it looks like. I'm actually rushing because I just had a big accident. And now I've got to go and explain to my mum. Let my mum know, saying Cookmas might be off. I'm recording this on my phone. Don't rush around, because what happens when you rush, I've just broke the camera and it's gone all blurry. The lens has literally fallen out of it. So it looks like we might have to go get a new camera or just film on my phone for the time being until we can get out and get a new camera. So yeah, if you enjoyed that, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And basically, we'll catch you guys hopefully tomorrow for Cookmas number 7. Bye for now.